Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce to you how to use the GTokenTool platform to generate a Vanity wallet. First we enter the Vanity wallet page, then connect to the mainnet. I'll demonstrate it to you using the testnet. Then connect the wallet. We selected the Phantom wallet. Once the connection is successful, you can see the wallet address. Now, let's start the operation. Enter the prefix and the suffix. And then click on Generate. Wait for a while. And then the generated wallet address and the private key will be displayed below. You can click to copy both of them. After that, you can proceed with the operation on your own. That's the whole process. If you have any questions, you can come and ask in our community. That's all for this video. Goodbye.